Hi everyone, welcome back to the shop. We're gonna have some fun today. We're gonna take a field trip to my buddy's Reed's machine shop. He has a CNC plasma cutter that he says he's struggled with loading material on top of since day one, since he's installed the thing. We're gonna take my car up there. It's about a 50-minute drive, have some fun, and I'll fill you in on the way. Did I say this was my car? I mean, this is our car. Yeah.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi.
I'm headed to Reed's today and I want to take the car.
Okay. Remember the last time you took it, you left it with no gas?
Yeah, I think I remember something like that. That's why this time I'm asking permission instead of forgiveness. Much better, right?
Much better.
I can't make any promises. Okay. Talk to you later.
Bye.
Car makes me feel way cooler than I really am, that's for sure. All the shop setup is kind of getting boring. I'm ready to build something, you know. Reed is a colleague, a friend, a mentor, an all-around awesome guy. I remember in the early stages of Fireball, I got behind on some orders and Reed gratefully stepped in to help me fulfill orders and get caught up. Reed's shop has every tool imaginable inside. At least I think he does. Sheesh, every time I say, hey Reed, you got that? He's got it. So he's always willing to give me a hand and it'll be fun for me to be able to get back to him. All right, gotta make a pit stop. We need some iron worker fuel. And for once, not car fuel. We're back. We got my iron worker fuel. We're on the road. Off to Reed's house. Here we go. Passing everything but the gas stations. Gotta love that. Man, what a beautiful day, right? You know what? If a Prius sounded like this car, I'd probably drive one. Waking the dead up out here. If you're not up already, wake up. Ah, shoot, I missed my exit. That sounds so good. I see why my wife loves this car. She gets lots of tension in it. Nobody expects a blonde beauty to be driving this thing. Window down. Here we go. Man, that never gets old. Man, that's a wicked sound. Gosh, I love that. Well, it looks like we're here. I'll see you in the shop.
Hey Reed, you made it. Hey Jason, how you doing? Come on in.
Walk me through what the problem is. I know that you have a plasma cam and you've mentioned to me before that loading the material on the machine has been kind of an issue for you. Walk us through how you're doing it now and then maybe we can brainstorm together a solution.
Yeah, what I do now is, it's kind of cumbersome. Light material is not usually a problem, but heavy is a problem. And I like to have machines do my lifting for me.
Sure.
The problem I have is that right now I'm using an engine hoist to lift material in, and it's really kind of cumbersome to get it from my racks to my table to my plasma table.
Yeah.
The problem comes in when you get bigger and heavier sheets. It's still hard to slide them over. So I have a problem with that. Even if it's pieces, when you're up to like 1/2 inch, 5/8, 3/4 inch thick material, it's tough. It's hard to do by yourself, and I'm a one-man show. Anyone that goes out and is thinking about buying a CNC plasma cutter should really think about the material handling at the same time or before you set up your table and know how it's going to get loaded.
I definitely can see the problems that you're having. This would be a pain in the butt for sure. I'm excited to build something. So what do we have for material for one? So I think we can bounce some ideas off each other once we know what we have to build with.
I would like to try to use what I have so I don't have to purchase any or much.
Yeah.
I've got a lot of oddball stuff. I got a lot of stuff in the shop here, and I've got some stuff outside.
We got some rusty gold. That sounds
yeah.
like outside. That's good. Okay, let's go see what we got outside. I'm excited to see it.
Okay, Jason, I've got some kind of rusty stuff here. I got some square tubes, some rectangle tube,
Oh
some round tube.
good stuff.
Been there for a while.
I think you can make something out of that. All right, looks like you got a little bit here. What is this?
I think it's about 2.5 or 3 inch diameter.
Heavy wall stuff.
Heavy wall. Yep.
Okay, is it drill rod?
Yes.
This is drill rod. Good stuff. Okay.
And then I've got some flat stock here.
A flat stock.
Yeah. Pretty rusted stuff.
Oh, up top here.
Yeah.
Okay, that's 3/16.
Yeah.
Okay. Last stop, I think, huh?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's what I'm after. The big heavy stuff. Okay, looks like what, 10? What's the size? Do you know what the size is?
Not right offhand. It's been sitting here a while.
Okay, well I think now we kind of decide what we want to build. Now I know what materials we have to work with.